The best way to build student confidence is to give them a reliable framework for solving complex problems. I created this full course inquiry lab bundle to provide a standardized year-long system for student-led inquiry and data analysis. This bundle includes these structured inquiry labs for every major topic in the curriculum. Because the format, scenario analysis, data collection, and reflection is consistent all year, your students get better at thinking like professionals as the year progresses. You aren't teaching a new set of instructions every month, you're building a repeatable system for critical thinking. The prep work for your most active class days is already finished. You'll have the scenarios, the data tables, and reflection prompts for every unit in the course. It's a complete system designed to keep student engagement high while keeping your workload manageable. By implementing this as a year-long system, you're providing the kind of high-level rigor that administrators look for. It's designed to be zero prep, allowing you to focus on facilitating student collaboration instead of drafting new lab procedures every weekend. If you're ready to standardize your process and stop spending your nights writing labs, this full course bundle is ready for you. It's the most efficient way to explore topics in a hands-on fashion while you reclaim your personal time for the whole year.